Need to convert a document to PDF but don't want to download any extra software? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to convert documents to PDF directly from tools like Word, Google Docs, and even your browser without any additional downloads. Convert to PDF using Microsoft Word, Windows and Mac. Open your document in Word. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word. Go to File, Save As. In the top left corner, click File and then choose Save As. Choose PDF as the file format. In the Save As dialog box, under the file name, find the drop-down menu for file types and select PDF. Save the document. Choose the location where you want to save the file, then click Save. Your document is now saved as a PDF. Convert to PDF using Google Docs, works on any device. Open your document in Google Docs. Navigate to Google Docs and open the document you want to convert. Go to File, Download. At the top left, click File, then hover over Download. Select PDF document, .pdf. In the list of available formats, choose PDF document, .pdf. The file will automatically download as a PDF. Convert a web page to PDF, using your browser. Open the web page. Open the web page you want to convert to PDF in your browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, etc. Go to Print. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+P, Windows, or Command+P, Mac, to open the print dialog. Change the printer to Save as PDF. In the print dialog box, locate the destination option and choose Save as PDF. Save the web page. Click Save, and select the location where you want to save the PDF file. Done. And that's how you can convert any document to PDF without installing any extra software. Check my links below, and don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.